Page number 14, Events that changed the world. Here are questions about some important events which changed the world and brought it into the present form. Answer them using the help box. Number 1. Prophet Muhammad gave to the world one of its most influential religions. What is the religion known as? Islam. Number 2. Which event is seen as responsible for the disintegration of the Ottoman Empire into several countries of the Middle East? First World War. Number 3. Which event is widely seen as responsible for the start of the First World War in 1914? Assassinatics of Archduke Franz. Number 4. Franz नंबर 4 का 4 में कहाँ है? 4 का है ही नहीं. अच्छा रे. नंबर 3. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Assassinatics of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Number 4. Which war saw USA dropping atom bombs on two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Second World War. Number 5. After sinking of which ship in 1912 it was made mandatory for all ships to have wireless telegraphs and radios? Titanic. Page number 15, out of course. Page number 16, word superlatives. Fill in the blanks to know about some of the words well-known superlatives. Fill by choosing the correct word from the brackets. Number 1. Sahara is the largest and desert. Sahara is the largest sand desert on earth. Number 2. Amazon is the largest river by area. Number 3. Nile is the longest river in the world. Number 4. Greenland is the biggest inland on the earth. Number 5. The country with highest number of active volcanoes is Indonesia. Number 6. The highest active volcano is in Atacama Desert, Chile, Ojos del Salado. Number 7. The most spoken language in the world, English. Number 8. The largest city of the world by population is Tokyo. Number 9. The longest underwater rail tunnel is the Shikan tunnel in Japan. Number 10. The largest democracy of the world as per population is India. Number 11. The largest country is Russia. Number 12. The largest continent is Asia, and the largest ocean is Pacific. Page number 17. Answer the question using the word given in the help box. Who has been elected as the 14th President of USA? Donald Trump. Number 2. Who was the first woman to go into space? Valentina Tereskova. Number third unknown, fourth unknown. नहीं fourth बोले. Number third, who was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Junko Tabai. Number four, who were the first humans ever to climb the Mount Everest? Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing. Which is the world's largest lake? Lake Superior. Number six, which is the world's largest freshwater lake? Lake Baikal. Number seven, which is the world's saltest lake? Don Jeon Pond. Number eight, which is the world's deepest lake? Lake Baikal. Number nine, which is the world's largest glacier? Lambert. Number 10, which is the biggest clock in the world? Biggest clock. Yeah. Biggest, which is the biggest clock in the world? Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing. Page number 18, South Asian countries. South Asia is a diverse land that consists of a number of important nations. Given below are some clues. Some clues about some of the countries is South nations. Given below are some clues about some of the countries in South Asia. Read them, identify the countries, and write their names in the blanks. Number one, this country's national anthem is known as the Qawmi Taranch and its national tree is Devdar, Pakistan. Number two, this country's capital is Naypyidaw and it is acquired its current name in the year 1989. It houses the Golden Pagoda, Myanmar. Number third, the world's highest mountain peak is in this landlocked country, Nepal. Number four, this country's parliament is known as Jaito Sangshad and the national fruit of this country is the jackfruit, Bangladesh. Number five, the national bird of this country is Raven, which represents one of its guardian deities, Bhutan. Number six, the meaning of the name of this country is resplendent is land in Sanskrit and the administrative capital of this country is Sri Jayawardhanpura Koti, Sri Lanka. Number seven, the well-known Khyber Pass connects this country with its neighbor in the east. Pashto and Dari are main languages spoken in this country. Afghanistan. Number 8, this archipelago was ruled by the British till the year 1965 and it consists of 26 coral atolls. Maldives. Page number 19. Look, word leaders. Look at the pictures, read the clues and name these prominent word leaders. Number 1, Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill. Number 2, Charles D. Galileo, Charles D. Galileo, number 2. Number third, Benjamin Franklin. Number third, Benjamin Franklin. Number third हो गया, 4 का ये. Number 4, founder and first president of the Republic of Turkey. Number 4, Kemal Ataturk. Number 5, he ruled the Democratic Republic of Vietnam from 1945 to 1969. Ho Chi Minh, number 5. Number 6, he served as the last president of the Soviet Union, Mikhail Gorbachev. Number 6. Number 7, Yasser Arafat, a leader of Palestine movement who received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. Yasser Arafat. Number 8, the Emperor of Japan who led the country in the Second World War, Emperor Hirohito. Page number 20, out of course. Page number 21, beautiful bridges. Read the description of these bridges to complete their names. Number 1, this is the world's longest bridge spanning 165 km. It is a part of the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway. DANYANG. Dainang, KUNSHAN. Kunshan. Number 2, this bridge is constructed at the center of the Mur River in Graz, Austria. It has coffee house, a sunbathing area, and a restaurant. AIOLA. Iola. AISLAND. Eastland Bridge. Number 3, this bridge is constructed over River Han in Seoul, South Korea, and it is an attractive tourist spot. There is a huge fountain that has 10,000 nozzles and it shoots out gallons of water every minute. BANPO. Banpo Bridge. Number 4, this incredible bridge is actually a water bridge built over the river Elbe near the town of Magdeburg, Germany. It is a 918 m long bridge which took over 80 years to construct. MAGDEBURG. Magdeburg. WATER water bridge. Number 5, this bridge is actually a rotating lift that connects Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal and makes it possible for the boats to navigate in both the canals. ये है ना यहाँ पर. FA. Number 5, FALKI Falkirk. WHEEL Wheel Bridge. Number 6, this bridge is built over the river Hei in Tianjin, China, and has a giant Ferris wheel constructed above it which can lift people 120 up in the air. YONGLE, Ongle Bridge.